The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not specify minimum or maximum height requirements for ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI receptacle installed in landscaped median islands. However, local electrical codes may have specific requirements for the installation of GFCI receptacles in these areas. It is essential to check with the local municipality or electrical inspector to determine if any additional requirements apply. For safety and functionality, it is recommended to install GFCI receptacles at a height that is accessible for maintenance. The receptacles should be reachable for inspection and resetting if necessary. They should also be protected from water. The receptacle should be installed high enough to avoid flooding or water splashing. The receptacles should not be so high that they are difficult to use or become a tripping hazard. Based on the above considerations, a suggested height range for GFCI receptacles in landscape median islands is between 12 and 24 inches above the surrounding ground level. However, this may vary depending on local code requirements and specific site conditions. Firstly, accessibility for maintenance should be considered. The GFCI receptacle needs to be easily accessible for routine inspections, testing, and any necessary resetting. Vegetation growth around the island should be taken into account, as overgrown plants could obstruct access to the receptacle over time. Secondly, protection from water is paramount, especially in landscaped areas exposed to the elements and irrigation systems. Installing the receptacle at an adequate height minimizes the risk of water ingress, which could lead to electrical hazards or malfunction of the GFCI device. Thirdly, visibility should be considered. While not a strict code requirement, ensuring the receptacle is readily visible can help prevent accidental damage from landscaping equipment or pedestrian traffic. A bright colored receptacle cover or marker can further enhance its visibility. Fourthly, consider the type of equipment that will be plugged into the GFCI receptacle. Ensure the height and location of the receptacle are suitable for the cords and plugs of the intended holiday lighting or other electrical devices. Avoid situations where cords are stretched excessively or create tripping hazards. Fifthly, compliance with the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, may be relevant if the landscaped median island is located in a public space or accessible area. While the NEC does not explicitly address ADA requirements for receptacle height, it is advisable to consider accessibility for individuals with disabilities when determining the installation height. This may involve ensuring the receptacle is within reach range and free from obstructions. Sixthly, inspect the site conditions. The specific characteristics of the landscaped median island, such as soil composition, drainage patterns, and surrounding vegetation, can influence the optimal height for the GFCI receptacle. Avoid installing the receptacle in areas prone to water pooling or excessive moisture. Seventhly, consider the potential for vandalism or tampering. Installing the receptacle at a slightly higher elevation can deter unauthorized access or damage. Additionally, using tamper-resistant receptacles and secure covers can further enhance security. Eighthly, future maintenance considerations should be addressed. Anticipate potential landscaping changes or modifications that may affect the accessibility or exposure of the GFCI receptacle. Plan accordingly to ensure the receptacle remains protected and accessible over time. Ninthly, consult with other trades. Coordinate with landscape architects, irrigation specialists, and other relevant professionals involved in the design and maintenance of the landscaped median island. Their expertise can provide valuable insights into optimal placement and protection of the GFCI receptacle. Tenthly, document the installation. Keep a record of the GFCI receptacle location, installation height, and any relevant code requirements or recommendations. This documentation can be helpful for future maintenance, inspections, or modifications. In summary, while the NEC provides general guidelines for electrical installations, local codes and site-specific conditions play a crucial role in determining the optimal height for GFCI receptacles in landscaped median islands. By considering factors such as accessibility, water protection, visibility, and ADA compliance, installers can ensure a safe and functional installation that meets all applicable requirements. Always consult with local authorities and qualified professionals to ensure compliance with the latest codes and best practices. Remember that GFCI receptacles are designed to protect people from dangerous electrical shocks. They work by monitoring the flow of electricity and quickly shutting off the power if a leakage to ground is detected. This leakage can occur when someone touches a live wire or when there is a fault in the electrical system. In outdoor locations, GFCI protection is especially important due to the increased risk of exposure to moisture and other environmental factors. The NEC requires GFCI protection for all 125-volt, 15 and 20 amps receptacles installed in wet or damp locations, including landscaped areas. This requirement helps to minimize the risk of electrical shock hazards for people who may be using electrical equipment in these areas. When selecting a GFCI receptacle for outdoor use, it is important to choose a model that is specifically designed for this purpose. Outdoor GFCI receptacles are typically constructed with weather-resistant materials and feature watertight covers to protect the device from moisture and debris. Additionally, it is important to ensure that the receptacle is properly installed and grounded to provide effective GFCI protection. Regular testing of GFCI receptacles is also recommended to ensure that they are functioning properly. The test button on the receptacle can be used to simulate a ground fault and verify that the device trips as expected. If the GFCI receptacle fails to trip during the test, it should be replaced immediately. In addition to GFCI protection, it is also important to follow other safe electrical practices when working with electricity in outdoor locations. This includes avoiding the use of extension cords in wet or damp areas, keeping electrical equipment away from water sources, and wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE, such as rubber gloves and insulated shoes. By following these safety precautions, you can help to minimize the risk of electrical shock hazards and ensure a safe and enjoyable outdoor experience. Furthermore, consider the aesthetics of the installation. While functionality and safety are paramount, the appearance of the GFCI receptacle should also be taken into account, especially in landscaped areas where aesthetics are important. Choose a receptacle cover and housing that blends in with the surrounding environment and does not detract from the overall visual appeal of the landscape. Explore different mounting options for the GFCI receptacle. Depending on the site conditions and aesthetic preferences, consider alternative mounting methods such as flush mounting, recess mounting, or surface mounting. Flush mounting involves installing the receptacle so that it is level with the surrounding surface, creating a seamless and unobtrusive appearance. Recess mounting involves installing the receptacle inside a box or enclosure that is recessed into the ground or wall, providing additional protection and concealment. Surface mounting involves installing the receptacle directly onto a flat surface, such as a post or wall, using appropriate hardware. Investigate the use of decorative receptacle covers. There are a wide variety of decorative receptacle covers available in different styles, materials, and finishes. These covers can add a touch of elegance or whimsy to the installation and enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of the landscape. Consider using covers that mimic the appearance of natural materials such as stone, wood, or metal. Explore the option of integrating the GFCI receptacle into a landscape lighting fixture. This can be an effective way to conceal the receptacle and minimize its visual impact in the landscape. Choose a lighting fixture that is designed to accommodate a GFCI receptacle and provides adequate protection from the elements. Consider using a landscape lighting fixture with a built-in GFCI receptacle for powering holiday lights or other electrical devices. Choose a location for the GFCI receptacle that is discreet and unobtrusive. Avoid placing the receptacle in a prominent location where it will be highly visible. Instead, try to locate it behind shrubs, trees, or other landscape features that can help to conceal it. Consider the use of low-voltage lighting systems. Low-voltage lighting systems are a safe and energy-efficient way to illuminate landscaped areas. These systems typically operate at 12 volts or less, which significantly reduces the risk of electrical shock hazards. Low-voltage lighting systems can be powered by a transformer that is plugged into a GFCI receptacle, providing an additional layer of safety. If you are unsure about the best way to install a GFCI receptacle in a landscaped area, consult with a qualified electrician or landscape designer. These professionals can provide expert guidance and ensure that the installation is safe, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. They can also help you to select the appropriate materials and equipment for the job and ensure that the installation complies with all applicable codes and regulations. In conclusion, while the NEC does not specify minimum or maximum height requirements for GFCI receptacles and landscaped median islands, there are several factors to consider when determining the optimal installation height. By considering factors such as accessibility, water protection, aesthetics, and compliance with local codes, you can ensure a safe, functional, and visually appealing installation that enhances the beauty and enjoyment of your outdoor spaces. Remember to always consult with qualified professionals and follow safe electrical practices when working with electricity in outdoor locations. Additionally, consider the long-term maintenance of the GFCI receptacle. Landscaped areas are subject to constant change and growth, so it is important to anticipate potential maintenance issues and plan accordingly. Schedule regular inspections of the GFCI receptacle to ensure that it is functioning properly and that the surrounding area is free from obstructions or hazards. Trim back vegetation that may be encroaching on the receptacle or interfering with its operation. Remove any debris or obstructions that may be blocking access to the receptacle. Repair any damage to the receptacle cover or housing to prevent water ingress or other environmental hazards. Consider the use of self-testing GFCI receptacles. Self-testing GFCI receptacles automatically test themselves on a regular basis to ensure that they are functioning properly. If a problem is detected, the receptacle will trip and provide a visual or audible indication. Self-testing GFCI receptacles can provide an added layer of safety and peace of mind, especially in outdoor locations where they may be exposed to harsh environmental conditions. Explore the use of wireless GFCI monitoring systems. Wireless GFCI monitoring systems allow you to remotely monitor the status of GFCI receptacles and receive alerts if a problem is detected. These systems can be particularly useful for monitoring GFCI receptacles in remote or difficult-to-access locations. Consider the impact of the GFCI receptacle on the surrounding landscape. Avoid placing the receptacle in a location that will disrupt the natural flow of the landscape or detract from its overall beauty. Choose a location that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Consider the use of landscape lighting to highlight the GFCI receptacle. Landscape lighting can be used to draw attention to the receptacle and make it more visible at night. This can be particularly useful in areas where the receptacle may be difficult to see. Choose a landscape lighting fixture that is compatible with the GFCI receptacle and provides adequate illumination. Finally, remember that the installation of a GFCI receptacle in a landscaped area is a critical safety measure that should not be taken lightly. Always follow safe electrical practices and consult with qualified professionals to ensure that the installation is done correctly and that the receptacle is functioning properly. By taking these precautions, you can help to protect yourself and others from the hazards of electrical shock and ensure a safe and enjoyable outdoor experience. In summary, determining the appropriate height for GFCI receptacles in landscaped median islands requires careful consideration of various factors, including NEC guidelines, local codes, accessibility, water protection, aesthetics, and long-term maintenance. By taking these factors into account and consulting with qualified professionals, you can ensure a safe, functional, and visually appealing installation that enhances the beauty and safety of your outdoor spaces. Always prioritize safety and compliance with applicable codes and regulations when working with electricity in outdoor locations. Remember to regularly inspect and maintain GFCI receptacles to ensure their continued functionality and protection. By following these best practices, you can help to minimize the risk of electrical shock hazards and create a safe and enjoyable environment for everyone.